Who is that old-fashioned engine with the wooden boiler, Paxton? Don't bother. Out of the way, little Steamy. We have work to do here.
If you were as busy as I am, you'd know it isn't a good morning. You're never busy. You just stand around looking fancy.
Those steamies think diesels are dirty and steamies are special. I'll show them that I'm just as really useful as they are. I'll shunt these logs to the rescue centre. Then the Fat Controller will see how special I am.
It's the only way to get these troublesome trucks to do what you want, Edward. So mind your own business.
Phew-wee! You're the stinkiest steamy I've ever smelled.
Useful. It's me, Diesel! Out of the way, Slowcoat. Yes, there is, Thomas. I'm a Diesel. Hard as nails, always gruff. A Diesel should be rough and tough. Well, you must be a softy then. Don't pop a piston, Percy. And now I'm here. Goodbye. My friends don't like me because I'm nice, Thomas. They like me because I'm rough and tough. Isn't that right, lads?